real quick. For our ongoing class, this is our class number 4, and we're trying to tie some bows together, put our arrangements together a little bit more. We're working on Love Me Tender. And before we launch into the solo part, we're looking at verse 3 and concentrating on just straight finger picking to comp as we are singing. And we were doing the most fundamental, or one of the most fundamental patterns, nose to floor twice in a measure. So with verse 3, I'm just going to do a little bit. 2, 3, 4. When at last my dreams come true, darling, this I know. Now let's try and reverse the order. Instead of going nose to floor, let's try going floor to nose. A little bit more counter-intuitive. Let's give it a go. 2, 3, 4. When at last my dreams come true, darling, this I know. Happiness will follow you everywhere you go. I love this because the flavor is so different when we're doing an ascending melody line. This is descending. Actually, I said that wrong. This is ascending. Now we're descending. And it's just a whole different atmosphere. And then there is this other finger picking pattern that I was very familiar with playing guitar and adapted to 2 less strings. So it looks like this. We've talked about this. It's in the worksheet. We're doing 8 things in one measure. Let me call off the strings for you. G, C, E, C, A, C, E, C, G, C, E, C, A, C, E, C. If you don't quite have this under your fingers, it's understandable. Don't sing. Just concentrate on this, or hum, or ba ba ba. Let's try this. When at last my dreams come true, darling, this I know. Happiness will follow you everywhere you go. Love me tender, love me true, all my dreams fulfill. For my darling, I love you, and I always will. So, one more thing with verse 3 and this finger picking. So we talked about 3 finger picking patterns, and you may have your own favorite, or you've tweaked these and made your own. So you've got a few choices in your goodie bag, and I say, hooray, hooray. Let's do verse 3 again and see if you can mix up finger picking patterns, okay? I'm going to mix it up too, but my way is not the way. It's just my way this time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. my dreams come true, darling, this I know. Happiness will follow you everywhere you go. So just the same way that Marissa was mixing up her strum patterns with her pocket song, and that I hope that we do with other songs, see if you want to mix up a little bit with the finger picking patterns as well.